a lost poem.
Society's chain, the rattle and pain is a rerun of Load Gone. Should we stay, should we run? Society's pain, the rattle's gain, it's a free one of Load Gone. And what have we done? So hold on strong, never stop the wrong. My sisters, my brothers, everyone. Freedom is a lost poem, and the heartland is gone. Try to shut off the fight, embrace the light, remember the things we did right. Don't drop out of sight. Have you figured it all out or left it in doubt? Can you see the outlines through the mist beyond the pine? So hold on strong, never stop the wrong. My sisters, my brothers, everyone. They said freedom is a lost poem, and the heartland is all gone. In the shadow of an oak, 13 town folk decided who we all should be. Forgot we were all born free. Left the commons and the snow, making amends, counting pennies, stamps and cents. All at our expense. So hold on strong, never stop the wrong. My sisters, my brothers, everyone. Some say freedom is a lost poem, and the heartland is all gone. But have you wanted to see how one family tree could hold the one and only key to the right state door for any kind of war, to profit on the core? So hold on strong, never stop the wrong. My sisters, my brothers, everyone. They said freedom is a lost poem, and the heartland